Welcome to our comparison of the Remington Shortcut Pro and GSKY Hair Clippers. Today, we will dive into the details of these two popular grooming tools, examining their features, benefits, and what sets them apart. Whether you're looking for a simple self-haircut solution or a professional-grade grooming kit, we've got you covered. Let's get started. When it comes to price, the Remington Shortcut Pro is priced at $59, making it a budget-friendly option for those who want a reliable hair trimmer. In contrast, the GSKY Hair Clippers come with a higher price tag of $130, reflecting its professional-grade features and comprehensive kit. If you're looking for an economical choice, the Remington may be the way to go. But if you're willing to invest more for additional tools and functionality, the GSKY could be worth it. Battery life is another crucial factor to consider. The Remington Shortcut Pro offers about 40 minutes of cordless use after a 5-minute quick charge, which is convenient for quick touch-ups. On the other hand, the GSKY Hair Clippers boast an impressive battery life of up to 150 minutes, making it ideal for longer grooming sessions without the need for frequent recharging. This difference can significantly impact your grooming experience, especially if you prefer to use your clippers for extended periods. In terms of features, the Remington Shortcut Pro is designed for ease of use with its waterproof design and multiple-length combs, making it suitable for self-haircuts. However, the GSKY Hair Clippers come with a more comprehensive set, including a hair clipper, trimmer, razor, and even a nose hair cutter, along with an LED display for battery status. This makes the GSKY a more versatile option for those who want a complete grooming solution. To wrap up, both the Remington Shortcut Pro and GSKY Hair Clippers have their strengths and weaknesses. The Remington is perfect for those on a budget looking for a straightforward grooming tool, while the GSKY offers a more extensive kit for those who want professional results. We hope this comparison helped you in making an informed decision. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more product comparisons.